Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best hybrid bikes under $1,000 available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Schwinn GTX Hybrid Bike. The men's 700cc Schwinn GTX1 has all that and more. A true multi-sport hybrid that can handle all of your biking needs. The GTX1 is up for anything. It features 21 speed shifters and a rear derailleur for easy precise gear changes. A suspension fork to smooth out the ride and strong and light alloy rims for added stability. At number 5 we have Villano Hybrid Bike. The Villano Diverse 3.0 Performance Hybrid 24-speed is an awesome bike for the ride to work. The disc brakes provide plenty of control and stopping power in varied conditions. This performance hybrid bike is the right bike for commuters. It's able to go distances over varied terrain with ease. At number 4 we have Tracer Osaka Hybrid Bike. At Tracer this continue to reinvest in the research and development of our designs, and seek to improve the quality of every bicycle we produce. In coordination with the top dealers and distributors. The modern consumer with the ultimate goal to bring the joy of riding to everyone. At number 3 we have Schwinn Hybrid Bike. This hybrid bike for comfortable commuting and neighborhood rides. This 700cc wheels fit riders 5 feet 7 inches to 5 feet 10 inches tall. This Schwinn alloy hybrid frame comes with fit geometry and suspension fork. It has 21 speed shifters, comes with rear derailleur for precise gear changes. At number 2 we have Max 4-Out Hybrid Bike. The folding frame is designed for easy storage and portability. This 21 speed shifters comes with Shimano rear derailleur and dual suspension system, which can achieve smooth riding and reduce impact. The front and rear alloy linear pull brakes provide precision stopping power. The wheels feature 6-spoke alloy rims for lightweight strength and all-terrain tires. At number 1 we have Tracer Osaka Hybrid Bike. This deluxe cruiser dual coil spring saddle and wide city aluminum wheels handlebar comes with foam grips. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best hybrid bikes for your need.